We are on day 6 of our 10-day Sculpting Pilates challenge, so let's get to it. I am Coach Greg with Fellow Training. Today we're going to be focusing more on our legs. Our first exercise, we have some reverse lunges with the front press. I know that sounds confusing, but don't worry, I will walk you through it. Here we go, 30 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We're standing upright, stepping backwards into reverse lunge, our arms out in front of us. As we come back up, we're just pressing forward, reversing, or alternating our feet rather. Boom, just like this. You don't have to get into a super deep lunge right here. The goal is you just want to make sure we're stepping back. We're here and then we're pressing forward. If you want, you can clasp your hands together like this. Boom. You can use weights, whatever you want. We're just trying to focus on maintaining good posture. Our core is tight. Boom. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Next, we have a standing side kick. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're just going to alternate between bringing one leg up. Bam. Just like that. And then the other. Focus on controlling the descent. We're not just trying to kick forward and let it drop. We're upright. Bringing out. Controlling it as it comes back down. Boom. If that's a little too difficult for you, you could just bend your knee. Boom. So now you're just focusing and bringing the knee out. Boom. Honestly, this gives you more of a tension on your abductors, so maybe it's a good thing. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. We are going to move into our first squat. We have the plie squat. Feet shoulder width apart. Not even shoulder width apart. Beyond shoulder width apart. Pointed out to your side. And here we go in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. All we're doing is sinking into this squat. You want to maintain good posture. Knee over elbows. And we're coming up. Just like that. I'm not going to do the whole. You get the picture. My back is flat. I allow myself to sit in here a little bit, really stretch out my thighs, my groin area. Boom. You're doing amazing. 3, 2, 1, done. Last, we are going to do some heel raise squats. We're going to focus on being on our tippy toes. Feet are going to be shoulder width apart. I'll start here. As you can see here, and before I get into my squat, I am going to raise up onto my big toe, and we're just sinking down just like that. So 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boom. There it is. See if you can maintain your balance. My core is tight. If you need to, hold on to something. It's not necessarily about how deep you can go, but you do want to see if you can keep your balance. And if that's a little too difficult for you, focus first on doing a normal squat, then raising your toes and trying to see if you can stand up on your tippy toes. So you're down, up, down, just like that. And done. Great job. I know that seems a little out of your depth, but don't worry. By the third set, you're going to feel amazing. So here we go. Second set starts now. Reverse lunge with front press. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Standing side kick. 3, 2, 1, go. Plie squat. 3, 2, 1, go. Heel raise squat, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job. 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Come on, I know your legs are tired. Let's finish strong. We just have 1 more set. Let's get it, starting right now. Reverse lunge with front press. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Standing side kick, 3, 2, 1, go. Play a squat, 3, 2, 1, go. Heel raise squat, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That is day 6 done. Hopefully you love this workout as much as I did. I am sweating. Leave comments below. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, because we have 4 more days to go. Tune in tomorrow, day 7, for Coach Gabby. She is going to bring it. So make sure you have water on standby. It's going to be amazing. You're going to feel great. Hopefully you're loving this challenge we have for you. Again, just let us know. We want to feel the love. We just want to make sure we're giving y'all what you want. So without further ado, I'm Coach Greg. I will see you on day 8. Have fun. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.